like that? Sure thing.
Is now in the hands of a rogue.
I don't know. When you saw her photo, you definitely gave the eyebrow.
What eyebrow?
You know, Dad, that thing that you do.
What thing? Don't do that.
Yes, you do.
No, I definitely don't do that. I don't even know what you're doing. That's the silliest thing I've ever seen. Watch this. Let me get going. I got business to take care of, and I'll see you when I get home, okay? I love you.
Love you.
Hey, one more thing. You guys can keep the tape. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
See ya.
No, he ain't.
Delete that shit.
Will bring us nothing but state politics as usual. I have fought to keep government honest, save you.
Come on, give me that eyebrow thing.